guys, today is the 8th of January. It is a day before my birthday, and guys, like, I'm really not feeling my birthday. Like, so basically I wanted to go to this place where like you decorate your own cake, like you get a plain cake and you decorate it yourself. I was so excited to go. I was gonna go with Mimi, and then yesterday night I saw on TikTok they said like you have to make a booking, so I'm like, oh, let me make a booking and go on the website. Tell me why I see a thing there that says they're closed until the 12th of January. I can't order cake right now. My birthday is tomorrow. So like, I don't know guys. I don't even know if I'll get a cake. I really don't know. I try my best to make this vlog long. And yeah. Guys, right now I'm waiting for Mimi to come. She's gonna come sleep over today. So yeah, I'm waiting for her to come. She's gonna do like an Uber. And then it's gonna stop here. Then she's gonna quickly put her bags. And then we'll go to the mall. 5. Yeah. Birthday! Lengi, happy birthday to you. Old are you? Una 8, una 12, una 13, una 14. It's my birthday. Oh yeah. Thank you. My vlog, by the way. Oh my god. It's my birthday. I just woke up. Okay, I woke up like an hour ago. It's currently like, I think 10:30. Yeah, we're just gonna go to a restaurant, take pictures. I'm gonna try and take pictures. Hopefully they come out nice. If they don't, then right now I'm gonna go bath. I'm gonna go shower, then get ready. I haven't ate breakfast. I'm gonna eat soon. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah. Just plain and simple. Just ordered food.
Bye, mama.
Thank you. And a car. Oh.
Happy birthday to you.
Hi guys, today is the 11th of January. It is Mimi's birthday today. We're going on a birthday photo shoot today with our moms. We're wearing these dresses. It's the black dress I was wearing in my previous vlog when we went out for dinner. We just need to like go buy flowers, and we got cake, And yeah, guys, Mimi, yo.
Hi guys, how are you guys?
Say how today's my birthday. How
It's my birthday.
accepting gifts. How guys, I have to go to the car and it's raining. Oh, yo. I'm taking our mom's hair. Both our moms and my hair. Yes. Okay, done. Yeah. Got a birthday cake.
Maybe it's for what? Yeah. Yeah. Let me try again, then do it.
Hi guys, today is the 12th of January. It is, I think, like 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. You can check. Yeah, 16:57. It's almost 5 o'clock. I just came back from the mall while like checking stuff for back to school and whatnot. I bought stationery yesterday, but not all of it, so I have to go back. I don't know when, because I'm planning on going to do my hair tomorrow, but that's gonna be in my other vlog because I don't want this vlog to be like combined with my birthday and like back to school. So it's short because I'm trying to make my videos longer, but there was like nothing much that I was doing for my birthday. Like it was kind of boring, like low-key. It was so boring. So like yeah, I just have to end this vlog here. And yeah guys, I promise my next video will be longer. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's nothing hectic, you know. I was so close to deleting it, but I was like, let me not, you know, like let me just keep it. So yeah guys, yeah. And yo guys, I'm enjoying my iPad so much. Like I don't even use my phone as often. It's just I'm not used to filming with my iPad yet, so I'll get used to it. And then once I've gotten used to filming with my iPad, I'm gonna film with my iPad more. And yeah guys, I literally use my iPad to edit now. I don't struggle with space anymore. Yeah guys, yeah. Two days before my birthday.
It's not your birthday.
A day before my birthday.
Invite me to your birthday now.
No. I'm not having a birthday party.
I know, I see.
Just decide.
Thanks.
Oh, yo. It's your birthday tomorrow. Yo.
Mama.
Thank you. And a car. Oh. It's got a birthday cake. It's a look.